Hello friends, welcome to wifistudy.com, one-stop destination for all competitive exam. My name is Bunesh Sharma and today we are going to present you in this video important revolution in India in English. In our previous video, we made this video in Hindi and right now we are giving you this video in English. Okay friends, so this is a video in English format. Friends, if you want to prepare from the application mode, you can download our Wi-Fi study app. This is a very useful app, and in that app, you will get a daily current affairs, GK test in both the formats, that is in Hindi and in English. And you can download this app from the Google Play, and it will definitely help you to succeed in exam. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe us so that we can definitely help you to provide more videos, more information which are relevant to your exam and for your personal knowledge also. Okay, you can see already more than 7,000 subscribers which are benefited from our organization. Friends, if you have any doubt or query or if you want to make a special video for your upcoming exam, you can email us at support@wifistudy.com. So friends, today from the static GK topic, we are going to present you this section, important revolution in English. Okay, our aim is to cover all the static GK topics in Hindi and in English. And today we are going to present you this video in English. So friends, let's start from the Green Revolution. We'll cover up only the important revolutions which are nearby 10 to 12 revolutions and the father of important revolution also. Okay, the possibility of framing a question from this part of the story is only two questions can be framed. Firstly, they will give you the color and they will give you that name of the revolution and ask you about which thing it is related to. Okay, like green revolution is related to, and they will give you the four option. Okay, this is the possibility of first question, and second possibility is that they will ask you the father of the revolution, father of dash revolution, like green revolution. Okay, the father of green revolution, Indian green revolution is Swaminathan, international green revolution Norman. Okay, so they will ask you about this. So only the possibility of framing a question from this part is the two questions as I told you. Okay, apart from it, I will give you more information related to the any revolution which is important for your exam. Okay, we'll talk only about the important content. We are not going into the deep of it. So let's start from the green revolution. Everybody know that green revolution is related to the agriculture. Green revolution is related to the agriculture. Okay, after the war, after the independence 1947, there is a scarcity of the food product. Okay, so because of that, India wants to develop as a self-dependent country. So they started a green revolution in 1960. Okay, so father of the Indian green revolution is M.S. Swaminathan, and father of green revolution in the world is Norman Borlaug. It is started in 1960 to increase the food product, especially wheat. The introduction of the high yield variety of seed, hybrid seed. Okay, Norman Borlaug, what did Norman Borlaug did? It introduce a high yield variety of seeds, that is hybrid seeds. Another name is it implemented this theorem in the Mexico. Okay, and after that Mexico have a large number of production in the agriculture. After that, Swaminathan went to the Norman Borlaug for the help to increase the green revolution, and after that they did. Okay, so green revolution is belong to the agriculture. Second, white revolution. Okay, white revolution. You can see the color of the milk is white. So the white revolution is belong to the milk. Father of the white revolution in India is the Varghese Kurian. Varghese Kurian is the person who is the founder of the Amul brand. Okay, and everybody know about the Amul brand, Amul milk products. So he is the founder of the brand Amul, Varghese Kurian. So he is known as the father of the white revolution in India. And the name of the another name of the milk revolution, that is white revolution, is the Operation Flood. Operation Flood. Okay, it is belong to the milk. Shyam Benegal produced a film also named as the Manthan on this milk movement. Okay, Manthan is the picture which is produced by the Shyam Benegal on this concept, that is in white revolution. So white revolution belong to the milk. Now blue revolution. So color of the ocean is blue. Okay, so fish and the aqua life. The blue revolution is related to the fish and the aqua life. So aquaculture refers to all the forms of active culturing of the aquatic animals and plants occurring in marine, brackish or fresh water, especially fish. Okay, the major production is the major production of the fish is belong to the blue revolution, and also the aquaculture. Okay, the beginning of the aquaculture started from the blue revolution. India is the second largest producer of fish after China. This is also important that China is the leading producer of fish, and after that is India. Government will come with the umbrella scheme for integrated development and management of fishes. Okay, father of the blue revolution is Harilal Chaudhary. Harilal Chaudhary is the father of blue revolution, and blue revolution is related to the fish and aquaculture. Now golden revolution. Golden revolution is related to the fruit, honey, horticulture. Okay, so fruits you can see like apple, like okay, you know the color of the honey is golden. So golden is related to the fruits, honey, or horticulture. The golden revolution started between the 1991 to 2013. What is the horticulture? Horticulture is the cultivation of the medical plants, fruits, vegetable, nuts. Okay, cultivation all these necessary things. It's the horticulture. Nuts, seeds, herbs, etc. Father of the golden revolution is the Nirpak Tutus. Nirpak Tutus is the father of golden revolution. Okay, so you need to remember two things as golden revolution is belong to the fruits, honey, horticulture, and the father of the golden revolution is Nirpak Tutus. Now silver revolution. Silver revolution is belong to the eggs. You know the picture of, you know the color of the eggs is like silver. Okay, little bit silver. So the silver production, silver revolution is belong to the eggs or the poultry farming. One of the same thing, eggs or poultry farming. So more production of the eggs with the help of the medical science and more protein rich food for the chickens, turkeys and ducks, etc. Okay, all these animals, all these things are belong to the silver revolution, and father of the silver revolution is the Indira Gandhi. Okay, Indira Gandhi is the father of the silver revolution because she focused on poultry and the egg farming to increase the production of the eggs. So silver revolution belong to the eggs or poultry farming. Now black revolution. Everybody knows that the first for the when the petroleum is extracted, it has a black color. Okay, so that's why black revolution belong to the petroleum. It started in the late 1970 and it is continued till today. Okay, it is very important for any nation, and black revolution started in 1970. It is belong to the petroleum, black revolution. Now yellow revolution. Yellow revolution, the color of the oil is yellow, so it is belong to the oil seeds. The color of the yellow revolution belong to the oil seeds. It is started in 1986, and oil seed production that began with the creation of the technology mission. Okay, technology mission. There was a mission named technology mission. After that, yellow revolution was started, and it is belong to the oil seeds. Now pink revolution. Pink revolution is related to the prawns. You can see the color of the prawns is pink. Okay, so color of the prawns is pink. So pink revolution is related to the prawns. And the father of the pink revolution is the Durgesh Patel. Durgesh Patel is the father of the pink revolution. Okay, pink revolution is also related to the onions also. Onions and pharmaceuticals things. Pharmaceuticals also. Okay, pink revolution is also belong to these two categories also, but the majority of the question were asked from the prawns. Okay, these are not to, you need to remember this also, but this is not important from exam point of view. In exam only the prawns or the pink revolution is related to the prawns. This is only asked, and this is important. Okay, Durgesh Patel is the father of pink revolution. Now grey revolution. Grey revolution is related to the fertilizers. You can see the picture of the color of the fertilizers. It is grey. So grey revolution is related to the fertilizers. It started in 1984. Okay, another revolution which belong to the green revolution. Grey revolution is the housing and wool development also. Color of the wool development. Okay, but as I told you before also, these two are not important for exam. The only important is this, that is fertilizers. Okay, green revolution is related to the fertilizers. Apart from it, housing and wool development is also related to the grey revolution. Now brown revolution, everybody knows that the color of the leather is a brown, okay, dark brown. So the brown revolution is related to the leather and the cocoa. Cocoa, okay, the color of the cocoa is also brown. Okay, so the major important is the cocoa, leather, and the non-conventional energy resources production. Non-conventional, okay, non-conventional energy resources like wind and everything which are non-conventional, wind, solar, biogas. These are all non-conventional energy sources. Okay, so brown revolution is belong to this category. Majority of the question were asked previously is belong to the leather and the non-conventional. Okay, so you need to remember all the three things. It is important for you. Leather, cocoa, and the non-conventional energy resources belong to the brown production. Now, red revolution. Red revolution, you can see the picture of the color of the meat is a red. Okay. So, and the color of the tomato is also red. So, red revolution is related to the meat and the tomato. Tomato. Okay. Red revolution is related to the meat and the tomato. And the father of the red revolution is the Vishal Tiwari. Vishal Tiwari is the father of the red revolution. Okay, Vishal Tiwari. And it is belong to the meat and tomato. Now round revolution. Okay, the shape of the potato is nearly a round shape. Okay, it's not a perfect round shape, but it is nearly a round shape. So round revolution is belong to the potato. Okay, potato. Round revolution, potato. Now golden fiber. Golden fiber. Golden revolution. Only the golden revolution was related to the honey, fruit, horticulture. Okay, as I told you before. But golden fiber, whenever the fiber world is attached with the golden, it is related to the jute. Okay, jute fiber. Okay, so called the golden fiber because India earns valuable foreign exchange by exporting jute. Its fiber is used in the manufacturing of the jute, textiles and packing materials. Okay, India earns many foreign exchange, valuable foreign exchange by exporting jute. That's why it is known as the golden fiber revolution, which is belong to the jute. Now silver fiber revolution, as I told you before, silver fiber revolution, about the silver revolution also. Silver revolution belong to the what it was belong to the eggs. Okay, I can see your silver revolution belong to the eggs or the poultry farming. But if a silver fiber is attached with it, okay, silver fiber is attached with it, it is belong to the cotton production. Okay, so silver fiber revolution is belong to the cotton. If a silver revolution is used, you can answer that it belong to the eggs or poultry. But if a silver fiber is used, it is belong to the cotton. Now another important news for you, like another father of some organizations or some technology which is also important for you. Like father of Indian space technology. Father of Indian space technology is known as the Vikram Sarabhai. Okay, there is a one Vikram Sarabhai Space Center also. It is in Thiruvananthapuram and he is the first chairperson of ISRO. First chairperson of ISRO. Everybody knows that about the PM is the head of the Department of Space. And the Department of Space Secretary is the ex officio chairperson of ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization. Okay, PM is the head of the Department of Space. The Secretary of the Department of Space is the chairperson of the ISRO, also known as the ex officio chairperson of ISRO. So he was the first Secretary of the Department of Space and became the chairperson of ISRO. Okay, Vikram Sarabhai. He is known as the father of Indian space technology. And about the ISRO space program, I will tell you more about it. Like it has two programs known as INSET and IRS. These are the two important programs of ISRO. IRS belongs to the meteorological satellites and it is weather forecasting satellite, not meteorological, weather forecasting satellite. And INSET is belong to the radio, mobile telecommunication, meteorological satellites. Okay, these are the two important programs of it. Father of Indian atomic energy, Jahangir Baba is the father of Indian atomic energy. Okay, atomic department. PM is also the head of the Department of Atomic Energy. Okay, and they made a nuclear power program, development of the nuclear power energy after that. So Homi Baba Jahangir is the first person of the atomic energy, first chairperson of the Atomic Energy Commission, which was made by the Department of Atomic Energy. Okay, so he is known as the father of atomic energy. And there is a Baba Atomic Research Center also, BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center. It is in Mumbai. And there is a one Indira Gandhi Atomic Research Center also, Indira Gandhi Atomic Research Center. It is in Kalpakam. These are the two questions that can be asked. Kalpakam is in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Baba Atomic Research Center is in Mumbai and Indira Gandhi Research Center is in Tamil Nadu. So another is the father of Indian missile technology. Everybody know about this person. Father of Indian missile technology is the APJ Abdul Kalam. He works on the development of ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology. He played a key role in the Pokhran second nuclear test in 1998. Okay, he headed the second nuclear test, that is in 1998. Okay, and he is a key role in making of Agni and Prithvi missile. So another is the father of Indian telecom sector, Sham Pitrota. Sham Pitrota is known as the father of Indian telecom sector. He is a telecom engineer, investor, entrepreneur, and policymaker. So Sham Petroda is known as the father of Indian telecom sector. So friends, these are the important content for your exam related to the revolution and the father of the important revolution. Hope you like it and you will subscribe us so that we can help you in your exam. Thank you friends and all the best for your upcoming exam.